2 weeks ago, we opened a brand new warehouse in Guangzhou. Today, I'll take you inside the real version, not just the opening party. Because if you sell online, this is where your products could live, get packed, and shipped to your customers. It started with a ceremony. In China, you don't just open a building, you bless it. The roast pig, the ribbon, the confetti, the whole team in one room. Because behind every warehouse, there are people. And these are the ones who handle your product. But the warehouse isn't judged on opening day. It's judged on the normal Tuesday. So here's what actually happens here. We're in Guangzhou, 20 minutes from the airport and close to the main port. Every kilometer between your stock and the port is time and cost on every order. Your goods arrive from the factory and they're unloaded, counted, and checked on the spot. Quick tip, clearly labeled cartons get processed in minutes. Messy ones lose days. This is also where we catch problems early. A crushed box, a defective unit, before they ship. Everything is then logged, stored on the racks, and tracked in real time. So you can see your stock from your phone anywhere. Another tip, don't send your whole inventory to Amazon at once. Keep a buffer here and restock only as it sells. Less storage and you never run out. Then the orders start. A sale comes in. Your product is picked, weighed, packed, labeled, and sealed. The same way every time. We choose the right box for each one because in shipping, you pay for volume as much as weight. And an oversized box is just air you're paying to ship across the world. Clients come here in person to walk the floor and inspect their own goods. Trust isn't a line on the website. It's something you can see. But none of this runs itself. It runs because of the team. The same people you saw at the ceremony are the ones packing and shipping your orders every day. That's the part an opening day can't show you. And it's the part that matters most. So that's our new home in Guangzhou. If you want us to store, pack, and ship your products from here, the link for a free quote is in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.